So now we'll move into this idea of custom GPTs. What is a custom GPT? It's a tailored version of ChatGPT with preset instructions, tones, and capabilities. Initially, we'll just do the easy stuff, but it can also use APIs and call other different things and do some really fancy stuff. But for now, we always start with the underarm stuff first. The reasons most people are getting crap output or not as good as they could is it's a garbage in, garbage out. Poorly written custom GPT instructions will get a poor performing custom GPT. Equally, the source material and things that you're using will determine the quality of the output. And a lot of people, like I'm finding the most important skill I have now is that I'm a systems thinker. In the AI age, being a systems thinker, thinking and understanding process and linear steps is helping me more than I realize. When you program a custom GPT, think of it like you're instructing someone, a team member, to do something and have them follow an SOP on how to do it. Step 1, do this. Step 2, do that. And it can really help to get great results. Now, again, every problem for me at the moment, I go, can I build a custom GPT for that? I realized that my team wasn't great at writing instructions for custom GPTs. So I built a custom GPT builder. We'll share the link to this in a moment, but the best thing for me to do is just to give you an example. And I'm going to build a custom GPT right now in the moment, and then you're going to get a chance to do the same. I'll go over to here and I'll go to my custom GPT builder. So it's the custom GPT generator. And once I'm in here, and the first thing it says is, I'll click this button, can you help me build a custom GPT? So it's going to say, yes, I'd love to. And then it's going to ask a series of questions here. So let's start answering them. Oh, not that one. Check 1, 2. Yeah, perfect. I would like to build a custom GPT that helps me draft position descriptions. It will be used by my HR person, and I just want to speed up the process and make it easy for them. I'll provide you some templates and best practice examples of of position descriptions that we use, because I want you to use the same format and follow the way that we do things. This just helps the team member move more quickly, and this will be used for business. Okay, just let this go. Okay, and we'll just hit generate. Now, here we go. And the specific role it should take on is really a HR specialist, job description consultant. I want you to match the tone of the position descriptions and things that we already have. So I'll go ahead and attach that for you here. And then, yeah, using the same outline, it'll tell you about what responsibilities, qualifications, and how I like things structured, and you can follow that framework. So just hit that. And then I'm going to add, just from my desktop here, I already printed the manuals, which is basically, as in I printed from SystemHUB all of our position descriptions, and I just loaded it into one document here, and I'll attach that. Just let it load. Okay, and then we'll hit grow. Great. Perfect. So now what it's doing here is it's still got a couple of more questions. Sometimes it asks a lot. I would like the full output, like the full position description as the output, and it needs to be thorough, like the current examples. I don't mind if you ask the HR person any clarifying questions about the particular position. In fact, I think that should be the first thing. I want them to provide you some information about what it is that they would like the position to be about. And then yeah, look, I'm happy for you to just do it out like a styled internal document. All right. And then this is the last step. So I'll just hit go. So now what it's going to do is it's going to give me, because I programmed this custom GPT, so it gives me what I want, which is the position or the title, gives me a little bit of a description, then gives me the instructions for the GPT, and it even gives me the first conversation starter. Now I'm going to go ahead and just open in another chat here, where basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go GPTs, and I'll go to my GPT, and then I'm going to create a new GPT. And then all I do, my preference is just to use the configure tab, because I'm just going to cut and paste now from here. So this is the job description assistant, and I'm going to copy the instructions. And then the conversation starter. And then I'm going to attach, I always tick off things that I don't think it'll need. And then I'm going to upload the position descriptions, just so that way it's got that handy. Look, let's just get it to make a picture because I want it to look pretty. All right. Okay, here we go. So this is now the custom GPT. Let's create a position description. Great. I'll need to ask you a few questions. All right. What are the suggested marking? Yeah. I would like, a position description for our marketing coordinator, a new person to take over that role inside our business. So really drive innovation and growth and everything inside our business. Full-time, report to me, drive more leads, everything to do with marketing, more leads, understands our tech stack, and I'll share with you some SOPs. I would normally do more detail, but I just wanted to smash it through so you can see the output. Now this, yep, that's fine. Yep, let's continue. Can you now draft it up using our standard format? And then this is the way that we format our position descriptions. And if you look at it, there's a couple of other things that we can do. It even mentions our final note here: with all 8 players, you're expected to be aligned and perform with duties to our core values and principles. Like, it's taken it from what it's modeled from. So what I've just shown you there is me building a custom GPT for a specific use case in probably less than about 3 minutes.
That was a clip taken from our Systems Champion Academy, which is the world's first and only community designed for systems champions and business owners to help them build the business of their dreams. We really focus on getting your processes done, getting the team on board, and building it so that the business is free of the business owner. To find out more, head over to systemology.com/systems champ, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the community.